The weight loss industry is filled with books, guides, reports, and information of every kind that's designed to help you lose the extra weight and also spend your money. Yet with all this information at our fingertips, obesity statistics show a continued rise, and as a world, we're all getting fatter and sicker than ever before. A fat belly is a sign of poor health. Just losing weight in your belly area will help you reduce your risks of diabetes and other health problems. It also makes you a more attractive-looking person. All these facts allow the weight loss industry to capitalize on them and make money by selling books showing you how to get a flat belly. But the truth of the matter is that people don't need more information. They need more simplicity. The Flat Belly Fix is a best-selling product because it takes simplicity to the next level when it comes to helping you lose your belly fat. It will help you get a toned midsection with just 7 minutes a day of core toning exercises. Included is a detailed guide showing you how to manage your hormones and eat foods that will help you in your weight loss efforts. This program has been purchased by thousands of individuals and has numerous success stories on its official website. The question is, does the Flat Belly Fix work? Follow me to the next video and we'll see if it lives up to the hype.